Monstera lechleriana, unveiling the allure of this exquisite climber. Hi there, Furbu here. Today, we're diving deep into the world of a captivating climber, the Monstera lechleriana. This tropical wonder boasts stunning foliage and a captivating presence, making it a coveted addition to any plant enthusiast collection. Whether you're a seasoned plant parent or a curious newcomer, this FAQ will equip you with the knowledge to cultivate a thriving Monstera lechleriana. What is Monstera lechleriana? The Monstera lechleriana, a member of the Araceae family, is a flowering vine native to the rainforests of Central and South America, specifically Bolivia, Colombia, Ecuador, Panama, Peru, and Venezuela. Named after the German botanist Willibald Lechler, this beauty is prized for its large, glossy, heart-shaped leaves. As the plant matures, its leaves develop a unique characteristic, fenestrations, which are essentially holes or splits appearing on the foliage. This adaptation allows light to penetrate deeper into the plant, reaching lower leaves in the dense rainforest canopy. How to care for Monstera lechleriana? Providing the right TLC is key to keeping your Monstera lechleriana thriving. Here's a breakdown of its essential needs. Light. This tropical native prefers bright, indirect light. Direct sunlight can scorch the leaves, so avoid placing it in harsh afternoon sun. A spot near an east-facing window is ideal. Watering. Monstera lechleriana enjoys consistently moist soil, but not soggy. Allow the top inch of soil to dry out before watering thoroughly. Avoid overwatering, which can lead to root rot. Humidity. As a rainforest dweller, Monstera lechleriana thrives in high humidity. Grouping plants together, using a pebble tray filled with water, or employing a humidifier can help create a more humid environment. Temperature. This plant prefers warm temperatures between 65 to 80 degrees Fahrenheit, 18 to 27 degrees Celsius. Avoid placing it near cold drafts or air conditioners. Soil. A well-draining, airy potting mix is crucial. Aroid mix, or a combination of potting soil, perlite, and orchid bark can provide the necessary drainage and aeration. Fertilizing. During the growing season, spring and summer, a balanced fertilizer diluted to half strength can be applied monthly. Withhold fertilizer during fall and winter. Support. As a climbing vine, Monstera lechleriana appreciates support to encourage upward growth. A moss pole, trellis, or core totem can provide the perfect structure for it to climb. How to propagate Monstera lechleriana. Propagating your Monstera lechleriana allows you to create new plants and share the joy with others. Here are two common methods. Stem cuttings. Select a healthy stem with at least one node, the bump where leaves and aerial roots emerge. Cut below the node at a 45-degree angle. Dip the cut end in rooting hormone, optional, and plant it in a pot with moist, well-draining potting mix. Cover the pot loosely with plastic to maintain humidity and place it in bright, indirect light. Keep the soil moist and wait patiently for roots to develop, which can take several weeks. Stem cuttings with aerial roots. If your Monstera lechleriana has aerial roots, you can take advantage of them for propagation. Choose a stem with an aerial root and cut below the node just above the root. Plant the stem with the aerial root in the potting mix, ensuring the root is in contact with the soil. Follow the same care instructions as for regular stem cuttings. Monstera lechleriana versus Adansonii. Monstera adansonii, with its iconic Swiss cheese-like leaves, was my first Monstera love. Its compact size and rapid growth made it perfect for my small apartment, adding a vibrant green touch to my living space effortlessly. However, the lechleriana stole my heart with its uniquely elongated leaves and more intricate patterns. Though slower to propagate, its elegant appearance and rare status in my collection make it a true centerpiece, commanding attention wherever it grows. Monstera lechleriana versus Laniata. Monstera Laniata's rugged, textured leaves bring a wild, untamed charm to my collection. Its rapid growth and adaptability make it a resilient choice, thriving even in less than ideal conditions. Each has its own allure, but the Lechleriana's grace and rarity make it a prize gem in my plant collection. What to plant with Monstera lechleriana? Monstera lechleriana can create a stunning centerpiece on its own. However, it can also be a fantastic companion plant for others that share similar care requirements. Here are some ideas. Philodendron. Both Monstera and philodendron belong to the Araceae family and have similar needs for light, water, and humidity. Pothos. This easygoing vine thrives in similar conditions as the Monstera lechleriana and can add a trailing element to your plant arrangement. ZZ plant. A low-maintenance option. The ZZ plant complements the lush foliage of the Monstera lechleriana with its dark, glossy leaves. Snake plant. Another low-light tolerant option. The snake plant provides a touch of verticality and architectural interest alongside the climbing Monstera. Remember to consider the mature size of each plant when choosing companions. When planting together, ensure each plant has adequate space for growth and receives its preferred level of light. Utilizing containers with good drainage is essential to prevent root rot, especially when planting multiple plants together. By incorporating these tips, you can create a thriving and visually captivating indoor jungle with your Monstera lechleriana as the star attraction.